Most of our clients are concerned about the complexities of hydraulics and worry about selecting the right hydraulic components for their project. Hydraulic.online removes these concerns with our guaranteed commitment on ensuring that every transaction works for you first before it works for us, or your money back. The majority of products on Hydraulic.online are described and explained in non-technical terms with photos, charts, and video too. More importantly, because we do such volume and manufacture some of these products ourselves, we are able to slash prices by up to 50% of what you would pay for a similar product from a hydraulic shop. In addition, because our clients can pick up the phone and call us for a consultation, we find that most of them tend to upgrade to more complete systems. This is because if they choose to do so, they can get to talk to a real human and experience service as it should be and used to be. So call Australia 07 55 63 1982 07 55 63 1982.